Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 Digital Capability Assessment Preparation. In this video, we will discuss a very important topic, that is pipe and cistern. And this is going to be part 8 for numerical ability section. And this is our first question. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill an empty cistern in 2, 3 and 6 hours respectively. They are opened together. After what time B should be closed so that the cistern gets filled in exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes. And these are your options. And one more thing, as options are in minute and time is given in hours, first of all convert this time in minutes. A takes 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. B takes 180 minutes. C takes 360 minutes. And LCM of all these three will be 360 minutes. And we can say that this is the total capacity of the cistern. And we are using the same concept that we have used in work and time. LCM in that case was the total work, and LCM in this case is the capacity of the cistern or the capacity of the tank. So LCM of these three is 360. So the efficiency of pipe A will be 3 units, efficiency of B will be 2 units, and efficiency of C will be 1 unit. So it has been asked in question, after what time B should be closed so that the cistern get filled in exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes. So time is given to us, and it is 60 plus 15 is equal to 75 minutes. So A pipe has been opened for 75 minutes and efficiency is 3 units. So we have multiplied by 3 plus B has been opened, we don't know for how much time, and C has been opened for 75 minutes. This is time and this is efficiency, and the product of time and efficiency will be the total capacity or the total work done. So the total capacity filled by pipe A will be product of this, and total capacity filled by pipe B will be this, and total capacity filled by pipe C will be this. So total capacity will be 360 unit as it is given already here. So it will be 75 into 3 and one more 75. So it will be 75 into 4 and it will come out as 300. So 2x will be equal to 360 minus 300, and x will be equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30. So pipe B should be closed after 30 minutes. So we can simply say that if pipe B is opened for 30 minutes and pipe A and C are opened for 75 minutes, then the cistern will be filled in exactly 75 minutes. So to get the cistern filled in exactly 1 hour and 15 minutes, you have to close the pipe B after 30 minutes. Now question second. Pipe A and B can fill an empty tank in 6 and 8 hours respectively. Will pipe C can empty the full tank in 10 hours? If all the 3 pipes are opened together, then the tank will be filled in how many hours? So A is taking 6 hours, B is taking 8 hours, and C is taking 10 hours. But as it is emptying the tank, we will represent it in negative. So the LCM of all these three will be, it will be 3 into 2, 8 will be 4 into 2, and 10 will be 5 into 2. So it will be 5 into 4 is equal to 20, into 3 is equal to 60, into 2 is equal to 120. So 120 will be LCM, which means total capacity. So efficiency of A will be 20, efficiency of B will be 15, and efficiency of C will be minus 12. Now if all the 3 pipes are open together, then tank will be filled in. So for that, total capacity is 120, total efficiency is equal to 20 plus 15 is equal to 35, minus 12 is equal to 23. So your answer will be 5 plus 5 by 23, because you can divide this or you can simply solve. 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 115 plus 5 divided by 23. So this is the same that we have here. So option B will be correct. Now question third. Pipe A, B and C together can fill a cistern in 12 hours. All the 3 pipes are opened together for 4 hours and then C is closed. A and B together take 10 hours to fill the remaining part of the cistern. C alone will fill 2/3 of the cistern in how many hours? these are your options. First of all, A plus B plus C can fill the cistern in 12 hours. They are opened for 4 hours. So in 4 hours, they will fill. In 4 hours, they will fill 4 by 12. That is 1 by 3rd. Now, how much part is left? Remaining part is 2 by 3. We can simply calculate 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So A and B are taking 10 hours to fill 2 by 3 part of the cistern. So to fill the complete cistern, A and B will take 10 into 3 by 2 hours. That is 15 hours. So we can simply say A plus B plus C will take 12 hours and A plus B will take 15 hours. LCM of 12 and 15 will be 60 units. So efficiency of A plus B plus C will be 5 and efficiency of A plus B plus C is equal to 4. So we can easily calculate from here. Efficiency of C will be 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 unit. So it has been asked in question, C alone will fill 2/3 of the cistern in how much time? So total capacity of the cistern is 60 units. So 2 by 3rd of this is 40 units. It can be calculated 20 into 40. Efficiency of C is 1. So it will take 40 hours. Option C is correct. Now question 4th. Pipe A, B and C can fill a tank in 10, 15 and 30 hours respectively. D is an emptying pipe which alone can empty the full tank in X hours. A, B and C are opened for 3 hours and then closed. Now D is opened which alone empties the tank in 30 hours. What is the value of X? So first of all, A is taking 10 hours, B is taking 15 hours, C is taking 30 hours. So LCM of these three will be 30. Efficiency of A is 3. Efficiency of B will be 2. Efficiency of C will be 1. Now they are opened for 3 hours. So in 3 hours they can fill 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 3 is equal to 18 units and total capacity is 30 units. Now D is opened which alone empties the tank in 30 hours. Tank D is emptying this value in 30 hours. For 1 unit, it will take 30 by 18 hours. And total we have 30 units and for 30 units, it will take 30 into 30 by 18 hours. We are cancelling here by 6, so it will be 3 here and it will be 5 here. Now dividing 30 by 3, it will be 10. So it will be 10 into 5 is equal to 50 hours. So option C will be correct. Now question 5th. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 12, 18 and 24 minutes respectively. If all the pipes are opened together for 7 minutes, what will be the volume of the water that overflows as the percentage of the total volume of the cistern? First of all, time taken by A is equal to 12, time taken by B is equal to 18, time taken by C is equal to 24 minutes. First of all, we have to take the LCM and LCM will be 4 into 3. 6 is common in every digit. So we will take 6 into 2, 6 into 3 and 6 into 4. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36 into 4. It will be 144. So LCM will be 144. Efficiency of A will be 12. Efficiency of B will be 18 into 8 is equal to 114. So it will be 8 and it will be 6. So efficiency of A is equal to 12. Efficiency of B is equal to 8. Efficiency of C is equal to 6. If all the pipes are opened for 7 minutes. So effective efficiency will be 12 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 26. And all the 3 pipes are opened for 7 minutes. So into 7. So it can fill 7 into 6 is equal to 42 and 7 into 2 is equal to 14 is equal to 182. So it is the total number of units that pipe A, B and C can fill in 7 minutes. And total capacity of the cistern is 144. So it is the amount that overflows and it will be 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 and we have to find the percentage as the total volume of the cistern, and that is 144. So divide it by 144 and multiply it by 100. It will be cancelled by 4. It will be 36 and it will be 25. Now it will be cancelled by 18 and it will be cancelled by 19. It is 25 here, no 26, and product of these will be 475, and it has to be divided by 18. And this will be your answer. You can convert it in fraction form. And this was all in this video. And thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.